looks like some of our snow peas are ready, and I just want to show you guys how to tell when it's ready to pick snow peas. And it's really quite easy. What we're going to do is we look at the seed pod. We want it to be at least the size of our hand, our 4 fingers, when we pull it across. So you can see this seed pod in the back here is even bigger than that, so this one's quite ready to go. And you want to pick them actually before the seeds start plumping up within the seed pod. Once they do, this seed pod tends to get really fibrous and it's not as good to eat. So this one's actually probably should have been picked a day or two ago before it got so large. But this one is just about right. You can see the seeds just ever so slightly along the side, but they're not big and plump yet. And this is a really good one to pick. So it's real easy. All you do is you pull from the pod, put your finger up at the top of the flower so you don't pull the whole stem with it, and it pops off just like that. And it's that easy.